In front of me is OPPO A95 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into devices settings and scrolling all the way down to access password and security. Then click on lock screen password at the top left corner and tap on one of those password types: numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. You can always change it later on. Now wait 5 seconds and choose continue in important notice pop-up. If you wish to change your login method, tap on use a different password type and click on the best one: 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, or pattern. Now you finally get to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, select Enable in the pop-up. If you don't, just click on Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!